going on, guys? So you would think we're at a drift event right now, but we're actually at Staggered New England car show. We got a lot of drifting going on here, but we're going to be seeing the difference between a bunch of the drift cars here and some of the show cars as well, and some of the people that are taking their show cars drifting. So comment down below, what do you guys like better? What do you have on your build? Is it a straight drift car? Is it a straight show car? Or is it both? Go take a look. Too much Benny sauce, too much Benny sauce. Go take a quick look at a bunch of clean cars here. One of my all-time favorites. Got Ryan and Jay out here, hell yeah. Got a bunch of the drift cats out here. Damn, sad damage happened to Bobby. We got the knee drift booth here. We got Bobby G's. What up? We got Bobby G's just talking about you.
What's up?
What's up going on?
Wish I was drifting.
We got the one car I wanted to see here at Staggered. We got Turbo Mike. He redid literally the whole entire car. I don't know if you guys remember, but it used to be just flat black, destroyed, but he went and redid the whole thing. This blue is very nice. Hell yeah. This guy, make sure you follow him on Instagram. His name's DNZ. What's going on?
You always show up late to the park.
I was here a while ago.
Where?
Yeah, I was just
up,
on that side over there. Yo, make sure you guys go and follow these. I'm gonna put their Instagrams here because Angel checks. So he always comments and he makes sure. We're inside now. Here, check out a bunch of these cars. Everybody's in here now. Oh man, excuse me. Shout out to Soma Imports. Dookie Kookie Brown right there on that Beamer. Let's go take a look at this real quick. Hell yeah. This is a girl's car. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like the blue pearl in it. So nice. LS power, Kookie. Got your Supra out here, Mark IV. Damn, got the legit Sylvia seats. Hell yeah. Suede. I don't think I should be touching his car. Stan's taxi right here. Fake taxi. Hey. Arizona iced tea, boys. Go take a look at this. Look at that. Look at that clearance. No clearance. No. Yeah. The way you sit in here. 3 switches, no radio. You hit a speed bump in that, that's it. There goes your butt. Your butt's hit. Alright, Dylan got a good ass battery and good alternator to have this running all day. This color right here, look at this. So nice. Civic right here. You gotta say, I'll tell you quit, Bato. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, but it's a Pokemon theme song. Oh, I like that color. Pokemon theme song. Oh, he's playing it on the piano? I don't know if the camera does it justice. Kinda. This is literally one of the cleanest Skylines I've seen. This color combo. Yo, this color is so nice. Right-hand drive Z32. Hell yeah. So clean. Got Drew's car out here. Oh, y'all good. Oh! What up?
How are you?
What's going on, guys?
What's going on, man?
Damn, made it in here. Hell
That's my
yeah.
intersection.
About to ask him what he uses. Like, look how shiny those tires are. This is the cleanest car probably here. Definitely give this guy a follow. Damn.
If you don't get there early, you ain't clearing.
Damn. Look at this intercooler, dude. It's like the size of my hand. I like this. Look at the wrinkle black. That clearance is insane. Damn. Look at that oil cap. Oh, that Suzuki's sick over there. I think he won at Yukon car show. This one. Damn, battle stands. Dude, the RB looks so big in this car.
Não, eu não vi na trabalhar.
Yeah.
Tava sendo ali, ó.
True GTR. We got the mildest of Steves out here. You know that horn doesn't work. Hell yeah. I'll see you guys. Getting ready now. About to go back out. About to get a little rodeo.
Let's get some clapping going for him. Harder than it looks, ladies and gentlemen. This is not easy.
Everybody's all hyped up. Damn. Don't worry, Benny, I got another fender for you. That is both fenders. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. A got his beer, Eric got a tan. But like always, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Adrian's gonna do some pulls on the next video, do a shop burnout maybe. I don't know. Stay tuned guys.